As a factory worker, some of the most important skills you have is the ability to look out for safety, safety for yourself, safety for others. It's important that you know what you do is safe for yourself and it doesn't inflict harm to yourself and to your colleagues, but also have a peripheral view of if your colleagues are doing work safely or not. That will allow us to be safe in that environment as well. Being able to have a lookout and to know how to operate this equipment safely would help us move the work quite quickly. Moreover, it's attention to detail, looking around how you see that what's need to be taken out, what needs to be taken in. So what need to be taken out, sort of waste, recycles. Those, if stay in the factory, would not allow us to work productively. It just stay as a blockage in terms of workspace. Factory working position is a very generic work, so the ability to be flexible and open-minded to whatever comes at you, because in the factory, what you are trained, it's not found in school. It's a lot of different little things. So that being able to have an open mind allow us to do more things, to learn new things, learn how to operate different machines that don't require licenses. So to be able to just say yes and learn how to do it would allow us to be a more productive hand in the factory. An advice for a potential factory worker would be ability to pace yourself throughout the day. You have to meet a lot of quotas throughout the day within each hours. So the ability to say, oh, this is the quota given every hour. Do not overwork too much. Do not take it too easy. Would allow us to be able to meet those deadlines at the end of the day, and also safely without hurting, injuring yourself as well.